Okay, first up, I want to welcome Chartcube and Pankaj I'm going to butcher your name, Tibrewal. Chartcube is the Instagram of data, right, of charts, and a good friend of mine, Jack Mardak, is working closely with making you guys famous, and I'm sure he's doing a great job. You ready to go?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. How's everyone doing? How are all the Dutch people doing? Okay, so we are Chartcube. I have a few of my colleagues here, Jack, Susan, Shuman. How many of you share and discuss data? Can I see a show of hands? How many of you find it painful? How many of you find it painful on a mobile device? Okay, I can't see any hands, but I assume all of you have that problem. So let me start with the demo. So that's exactly the problem we are trying to solve. How do you share and discuss data on a mobile device? So you're seeing the homepage of Chartcube. Can you all see it? Oh. Are we on? Okay. Oh. That's not a Chartcube bug.
Can we go live? Where's he going?
No.
All right, that's a projector bug. Everybody give a high five to your neighbor.
Okay, there you go. Cool. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So sheet. So we take tabular data from any source, starting with Excel, CSV, and here we have an Excel sheet, and I'm going to open it in Excel just to show you what it looks like in Excel. On a mobile device, you can't do much with it. So you have like date, zone, store. This is a retail example. So you have store, city, last week's sales. This is the file that I'm going to open in Chartcube instead. So you'll see a preview of the file, hopefully soon. So we run a bunch of algorithms figuring out the data, where the metrics are, where the dimensions are, where the relationships are, and we create what we call a chart cube. It's an interactive cube. So instantly, we have created hundreds of charts and arranged them in a very logical manner. So this is a cube that you can play with. So I'm looking at sales by zone. If I turn the cube, I look at last year's sales, actual versus target by zone. Oh. Target sales. So I'm cycling through all the metrics. If I turn the cube this way, so here I'm looking at sales per square foot by zone, by store, by city, by new store, old store, by store size. So you're cycling through all the dimensions. I can do drill downs. So let's say if I look at actual versus target, we missed the target by 10%. South was the lowest. If I double tap on South, I'm looking at all the cities in South. So all this instantly from a spreadsheet. Now what I can do is I can start telling a story. So I'm looking at sales by zone for all the zones, and I start telling a story. Hey, our sales was 65K. We missed our target by 10%. Our sales per square foot was only 16.5K. So here I've created a story with 3 slides. So if I tap on the first one, you go to the first slide with the comment, second chart with the comment, third chart with the comment. And now I can share this with my team. As soon as I share this with my team, the entire team can actually engage in a conversation on this Chartcube. Let me quickly show you how it looks like on an iPhone. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I have. Okay, there you go. So I can play with that cube on even a small touch screen. You can't do much with a spreadsheet on a touch screen, on a small iPhone. So here you can play with the chart cube the same way that I did on the iPad. I can also see the story that somebody added. I can add a comment here. Okay, so that's Chartcube. Instagram of business data, as Fast Company calls us. Forbes said that we put presentation into the hands of analysts and analysis in the hands of presenters. VentureBeat called us bringing the data, the story, and the conversation on a small touch screen. The iPad app is available on the App Store. The iPhone app will be available next month. Thanks for your support.
Pretty cool.